Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning 25 most common verbs. Let's get started. To be,
是
to have,
有
to do,
做
to go,
去
to come,
来
to see,
看
to know,
知道
to think,
想
to say,
说
to want,
要
to give,
给
to take,
拿
to use,
用
to find,
找到
to tell,
告诉
to work,
工作
to call,
叫
to feel,
感觉
to try,
是
to ask,
问
to need,
需要
to become,
成为
to leave,
离开
to put,
放
to mean,
意味着
to understand,
理解
to speak,
说
to listen,
听
to play,
玩
to start,
开始
to show,
展示
to live,
住
to like,
喜欢
to love,
爱
to change,
改变
to meet,
见面
to learn,
学习
to believe,
相信
to run,
跑
to help,
帮助
to watch,
看
to wait,
等
to remember,
记得
to stay,
留
to buy,
买
to sell,
卖
to pay,
付钱
to lose,
失去
to win,
赢
to create,
创造
Quiz time.
叫叫用用知道知道给 需要，需要。说，说。买，买。玩，玩。爱，爱。学习，学习。理解，理解。
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.